Imagine a summer so cold, crops failed, and snow fell in June. Welcome to 1816, the year without a summer. In 1816, a massive volcanic eruption in Indonesia sent ash into the sky, blocking sunlight worldwide. This caused global temperatures to drop, leading to what we now call the year without a summer. People wore winter coats in July, and snowstorms hit in June. Crops failed, leading to food shortages and even riots. Imagine trying to grow your garden with frost in August. This bizarre year also inspired famous works of art and literature. Mary Shelley wrote Frankenstein, and Lord Byron penned dark poems during this chilly summer. So, next time you complain about the weather, remember 1816 when summer took a vacation? Thanks for watching, History Buffs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bite-sized history.